Very spacious desk. I love it. I love the fact that the monitor stands, they're movable. They're not attached to a table. Make sure when you're assembling, you're leaving these holes outside on the outside part because that's where the hooks go. If you put that part inside here, you won't be able to attach the hooks. And when you're attaching the frame, make sure you leave the second shelf out. That way it will be easier to align the holes with the top of the table, and then when you finish, you place the second shelf. That's how I found it easier. But it's very wide from here to here. It has a lot of space. The monitor is very wide too, the monitor stands, and so far so good. I like the fact that they brought replacement parts. I had problem with one of the screw was bent, and I was able to come back to this, and they also send you the tools that you need for the assembling of the desk. So I'm a happy customer. That's how it looks with this chair. I got it on Amazon as well. And that's the end of my review. Thank you.